This video will show you how to cite a source you find in a library database. The databases have awesome citations tools, and it makes it really easy to cite your sources. So I'm going to go into databases A to Z, and I'm going to look for newspapers because I'm researching my neighborhood, and I'm going to use, in this case, US News Stream because it includes LA Daily News, and that's awesome. And let's see, as a city where I live, I'm going to go, and I'm going to try in a new town here. What about Van Nuys, California? Let's see what we find. All right, 15,000 results. That's it. And let's see what I find. Now this is an interesting problem. We see this a lot. These are bicyclists being hit by cars. Oh, that might be a good problem for my paper. Let me click on it. And after reading the article, maybe I find a great quote for my essay. So let's see. Wow. That looks like a good quote. Let me hide the highlighting. That looks like a good quote. Control C. I'm going to come over here to my essay. I know exactly where I want to put it. Maybe it's going to be the first piece of evidence in my essay. And I'm going to put it down. And because this is a word-for-word copy and paste, I'm going to put quotes around it. I'm going to introduce it. In this case, I'm just going to use a transition. And then I'm going to cite it in MLA citation. And in this case, I just need the author's last name for the in-text citation. And then a period. All right, then I want to merge that. Let's see, match that. Make sure that's matching. Boom. Boom. Make sure it's the same color. Boom. And we're good to go. Okay, so that's my quotes in my paper. Now I need to work on the in-text citation for my works cited page. That's down here. And it's going to go alphabetically. So in this case, it starts with Martinez, if you notice. That was in the in-text citation. So that's going to go right here in my list, all right? Now let's go back to our article right here. And so let me show you something cool. When you press cite up here, it cites it for you. I know. So we're going to go down and we're going to select MLA citation. You want MLA 9th with title casing. So if it does that for you, that's what you need. Select it. There it is. We're going to copy it, highlight it, hit Control C. Come over to my essay, hit Control V, and we want to change it to match so we can match the formatting. I can do it manually like this if I want, or I could always use format function, clear formatting, and then reformat it. And that's it. You can see it's perfect. It's in title case. The proper things are in italics. It's just super easy. So have fun. Please remember that all the databases use a different, it looks a little different for each of them. So in here, for example, in this database, when I want to cite this, it still has a cite button, but you can see that cite button is way over here. Okay? And we still select MLA citation right here and copy it and paste it. So look for that. If you have trouble finding the cite button in the databases, pop on over to office hours and I'll help you. Bye.